Days of summer, the jasmine's in bloom. July is dressed up and playing her tune, and I come.
A young woman trying to run from your past, but she's on a whole show, doing it all for the cash. You've been through so much lust in fair relationships. When a man tells you to strip, you just get naked quick. Makeup, hair done, and short skirts. Spend all your time with all play and no work. You're a grown woman, but you still act like a spoiled brat. You got a foul mouth non-stop, verbally attacked. Can't get your life together, why? Well, for starters, every man isn't right, cause you still looking for your father. Used to dream big and pursue to be a nurse, but now you strive for large diamonds and a Gucci purse. How can you allow yourself to get sucked into this black hole? Could've had a nice guy, but you attract assholes, taking all they shit cause their wallets on swole.
Days of summer, the jasmine's in bloom. July is dressed up and playing her tune, and I come.
Never settled, I had a family, no children. All you produce is anger and sad feelings. This wasn't made for you, this ain't quite suitable. Inside you're ugliness, but outside you're beautiful. Are you listening? Am I at all getting through to you? But I think it's too late, think we're already losing you. Constantly battered, you suffer from abuse, but you must bounce back from this. There is no excuse, but don't get all aggy, cause I ain't trying to preach to you now. But you much more than a chick that's sleeping around, only fulfilling sexual needs, not worth keeping around. But underneath, you're a queen, and you should be proud, but you remain stuck in your lifestyle, stuck in your ways. So many months gone by, and nothing has changed. You laid up with the wrong one, now you caught up with AIDS. Now you're struggling to survive until your dying days.
Days of summer, the jasmine's in bloom. July is dressed up and playing her tune, and I come.